Eldoret, a crisis is brewing after public hospitals started turning away inmates from the local GK prison due to unaccrued, unpaid bills adding up to millions of shillings.
Well, we are now joined by John Wanyama, who's live in Eldoret with more details on that crisis. John, how much are these accrued bills that we're talking about, and what are the alternatives that the inmates have now?
Trevor, it's that like Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital is about over 15 million Kenyan money that these inmates are supposed to pay to the hospital so that they can continue maybe getting these important services. But as so far, where we are standing, we are at Eldoret main prison, and we were to talk to officer in charge, Mr. Alfred Musila, but unfortunately he's in a crisis meeting with the High Court Judge Justice Kidhinji, whom now they are discussing on which way they are going now to maybe to find a way or an alternative way of getting solutions on how they are going. Especially Justice Kidhinji is saying those who are judged in court with the cases of murder or capital offenses, they need to go to hospital for checkup, mental checkup, age assessment. But up to now, there is nothing they can do, and they are now currently in a crisis meeting just behind us. They are just discussing on what will be happening. We have been also informed by the officer in charge that there are hospitals here who are turning away patients. They are not allowing them to their premises, maybe seeking these vital services to treat them. And as you know, this is a place where Trevor and Zinzi is that most of people who are brought in this particular prison, they come also with some chronic diseases, and it's up to the government to ensure that those who are here sick with chronic diseases, or even if it's malaria, just to ensure that they are well treated so that they can continue with the cases in court. And those who have been jailed is also upon the government to ensure that they are also in good health, and as they continue to correct them and become good citizens in this country. So we are still following up. As they finish their meeting, I'm hoping we'll have time maybe to talk to them on how they are going to do this, because we have been told that a certain patient also was turned away and he was in a critical condition. I don't know whether the charge or officer in charge used his own money to pay, but the hospital still refused. But I was talking to Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital CEO Dr. Wilson Arwasa on this particular issue, but he said they have been writing letters to the PS who concerned to these matters, but she has not been responding on the same issue. So they are saying until they pay, Trevor, they are not going to get these vital services from the hospital.